Today's Southern Gardening is at the MSU South Mississippi Branch Experiment Station in Poplarville, Mississippi. This year, there are 60 different varieties of red, white, and non-traditionally colored poinsettias growing at the station. Let's look at some of the non-traditionally colored poinsettias. Orange Glow has bracts, the colorful leaf-like structures that people often mistake for flowers, displaying a striking, warm orange hue with hints of coral or peach, creating a lively, sunlit effect that stands out among holiday decorations. Christmas Beauty Pink Poinsettia is a charming and delicate twist on the traditional holiday plant, featuring soft pastel pink bracts that add a gentle pop of color. Its pink bracts often have subtle colored veining, giving them a layered, almost watercolor-like effect that enhances the plant's visual appeal. The lighter pink hue contrasts gracefully with the poinsettia's dark green foliage, creating a beautiful blend of colors that's perfect for a softer holiday look. One of my favorites, Autumn Leaves, is a beautiful and unconventional variety, known for its warm, earthy tones that invoke the colors of fall. Its bracts range from soft peach to a rich amber, and even hints of apricot, creating a gradient effect reminiscent of autumn foliage. Some bracts may also display subtle hints of pink or coral, adding depth and dimension to the plant's overall appearance. Look for these and other gorgeous poinsettias at your local garden center this holiday season. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.